Welcome to Cloncurry, on the prolific Mount Isa Inlier, where True North Copper are heading towards near-term production. With open pit resources of more than 100,000 copper metal tonnes already defined at our Cloncurry project, we're ready to progress development. Additionally, we're looking to enhance the project by drilling to extend resources and define more metal in the ground, and by assessing different development pathways to ensure that we're moving forward in a disciplined and optimised manner. Our strategy to develop and mine our Cloncurry assets will leverage off the extensive, fully permitted infrastructure that's already on site. And our accelerated sulphide production plan will see ore toll treated using latent capacity at nearby operations.
We continue to drill alongside our studies at Cloncurry to extend our current life of mine and our resource base. All within 30 kilometres of our central processing hub. At Wallace North, we've recently had impressive results, including 9 metres at over 8% copper equivalent in extensional drilling, and are planning further programs to investigate similarities to the nearby Eloise mine.
We're also focusing on adding new discoveries to our exploration pipeline and testing greenfield analogues of Rocklands and Ernest Henry, like at our Chumbale project, located 8 kilometres to the west of the Great Australia Mine, and at Salisbury, where we recently confirmed the presence of a substantial IOCG alteration halo.
True North is proud to be a member of the Cloncurry community, and our partnership with the town will be a long and prosperous one. We look forward to commencing operations soon and have a goal to become a cornerstone member of Cloncurry's economy for decades to come. At True North Copper, we know where we're headed and we'll see you all there soon enough.